Hey, I'm Dr. J. Today you and I are going to make some pickled deviled eggs. Oh my gosh, these are so delicious and they're super simple. I've already made some pickled beets. You don't have to make them yourself, but I will give you the recipe that will be in the description below because they're so good and they're just so nutritious, but that's a whole nother recipe, right? You could actually just buy pickled beets, and what you're going to do is you can eat half the jar or just take some of them out, but you want the juice. I still have some beets in there, all the more flavor, right? And that's all I'm doing. I'm going to add my eggs. These are hard-boiled eggs. And they're going to go in a couple days. You could actually do them as soon as a few hours, but the longer you leave them in the jar, the pinker they get and just the more flavor that they're going to absorb. So a couple days from now, I'm going to show you how to double these up. Right, going to go in the fridge. Okay, so you remember I had the pickled eggs right in the fridge. They've been in there just a few days, and look how beautiful they are. And they got this gorgeous like purple ring. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut them in half. I'm gonna take out the yolks. Now, honestly, you could serve these just like this. Little salt, little pepper on top, it'd be delicious. But it's the holiday, right? We're gonna jazz them up a little bit. So we're gonna make a nice deviled egg to go inside. It's gonna be spectacular. So I'm gonna keep cutting these in half, and we're gonna get the yolks in the bowl. That's so cool. I just think that's so beautiful. Just want to kind of keep cleaning your knife in between so it keeps them looking nice and pretty. I love deviled eggs. If you've been watching me for any length of time, you know like I do them a bunch of different ways. I've done like buffalo style. I've done Mexican style. I like traditional. Of course, these are going to be pickled style. I just love them. I just really like eggs, obviously, but they're so good for you too, right? And these are just beautiful. I think you could even sell the kids on these. Okay. Okay, so all we got to do now is we're just going to pop out the center. Try to do this neatly as I can. Very nice. Perfect. All right, so we're just going to keep scooping these out, and then we're going to make our filling, and I'm going to show you how pretty these are going to be on your Easter table. Okay, so we got all our yolks in the bowl here. Just going to give them a little mash, a little potato masher. Got a little purple in there too. It's kind of pretty. I love pickled beets too. So I'm going to have the recipe in the description below for these deviled eggs. And like I said, you can either make my pickled beets recipe or you can buy them too. No shame in this. Sometimes you have so many things going on during the holidays. It's okay to take a store-bought help, right? We're okay with all of that. Got a little bit of mayo. Kind of going, you could use your favorite. You just want to use good stuff, right? Okay, a little bit of sweet relish, a little bit of Dijon, love mustard. Just kind of wakes them up, I think. And then we've got a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of ground black pepper. I'm going to give this all just a mix. All right, and I'm just going to whisk this up just till it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to pipe them. I'm going to pipe them right in there. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Oh, smells good. These are a great snack, right? Okay. But these are going to look beautiful on your table. You're going to get lots of compliments, and nobody's going to know how easy they were, but you and me. Okay, so I've got a little piping bag. I've got it in a glass, just kind of folded the edges over. Just going to get all of this into my piping bag. And you could actually just scoop this in using a little spoon. I just think this is just a little bit easier for me. Okay. Don't want to waste any of that goodness. Okay. All right, then just nice and easy, just kind of bring this all together. I like to give it just a little twist up here. Just going to cut off the end. And then we're just going to start filling. Then we're going to put them on a pretty plate and get them all served up. Just like that. We're going to taste these for you in just a minute. I know Eric likes these just as much as I do.
Wow, that's festive.
Aren't they beautiful?
Oh, they are.
I mean, I just love the color anyway, and I love pickled anything, right? I mean, we just kind of do.
You know, I was trying to think. My mom did deviled eggs, and she did pickled eggs.
Uh-huh.
But I don't think she ever did pickled deviled eggs.
Well, I wish we could have had these with
That's
her.
double.
Well, right?
Double the fun.
It's holiday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Want to give them a taste?
I do. And
Okay.
I love pickled stuff. Like
I know, me
pickled
too.
beets
Me too. I'm
and
going to take
pickled eggs.
this one. Oh, a little messy. This,
All right.
yeah? All right. I think I'm just going to go in.
All right. Whole
Okay.
thing.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Mm.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Oh, so good.
That pickle flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Not only is it pretty, it tastes good.
It tastes really good. These are delicious, y'all. I hope you make these for your friends and family. They're really simple. I'll give you the recipe. It'll be in the description below. If you like these recipes, please share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And make sure you click that bell. That way you know when the next video is coming out. Happy Easter, y'all.